I met Anthony at a restaurant and he described to me what MLM does, and I said, well, I actually need a new roof. And he said, well, you know, I can do that for you. And I said, I don't know, my insurance company has denied me a couple times. And he was like, no, absolutely, give me a shot. So I did, and Anthony came by and did a great estimate, looked at everything and said, I think I can get your insurance company, you know, to kind of reimburse you for this. And turns out he did. The material delivery was great. They told me exactly what day that they were going to come. They came on time, they delivered it. They were, you know, very respectful. They rang the doorbell, kind of let me know what was going to happen, where all the materials were going to go. They did it very quickly and it was very clean. I think the new roof looks fantastic. My neighbors have all said that it looks great. The architectural shingle looks fantastic, and it really just kind of pulls together my entire house and gives it a new look. I think my favorite part was working with Anthony. He was fantastic and just did a great job. He walked me through the whole process. He responded to all of my texts so quickly. He really just kind of gave me an idea of like what to expect and really just did a great job during the entire sales process. Absolutely, I would, definitely. I think that the whole experience was everything that I expected and more, and everybody did a great job.